There you go. All tagged and ready for takeoff. Time for your big journey.
Aw, fluffy feathers plus wobbly legs equals cute baby storks.
Why do they all need tags?
To help us track and follow their journey.
A journey all the way from Spain to Africa.
Whoa! But they're only babies. How do they know which way to go?
Glad you asked, Cayenne. It's time to fly high with some feathery, funky facts.
Funky facts, funky facts.
Let me tell you about the place we're at.
With unicorns, funky top three.
Every year, millions of birds just like these storks go on an epic journey from Europe to Africa, where it's warmer in the winter. This is called migration. Baby storks on their first migration follow the grown-ups, so they learn which way to go. They remember this journey for the rest of their lives.
Wow, they don't even need a map.
Storks migrate in large groups known as flocks. They fly in the shape of the letter V. This helps them save energy and fly a long time before they need to rest.
Oh, silly Grimbots! Why can't you fly nicely without crashing into each other? Team Glitch should be a tip-top flying squad, not a crumpled heap squad. Ooh, now that's how you do it. Copy those birds. No! Make a V shape! A V! Grimbles,